You guys, I don't know what time is it, and it's no school. Trying to see what time is it. It is 11:49. It's 11:49, and it is 11:49, and I am about to go to sleep. Yeah. In the morning time, I am going to tell you guys, this is the next morning time, and I'm going to post this on YouTube. And I'm going to let my phone charge and my camera charge for tomorrow, because it's going to be snowing. You guys heard that? In Virginia, snow or storm. I've never heard of it. That's why I'm so scared. So tomorrow better be some snow or school. Bye, you guys. I know this is gonna be quick. Bye. Intro. Comment down below and make sure you like 200 like.